What you eat, and especially drink at night, is really important. There are 7 nighttime drinks for diabetes, prediabetes, and for people with insulin resistance, which comes before prediabetes, which usually takes about 15 years. For your blood sugar, for your quality of sleep to prevent getting up several times a night urinating. If a person has blood sugar issues, they're not able to go for a long period of time between meals. Their fuel is dependent on the meal that they just ate at night when they had their last meal. Now they have to go like 12, 13, 14 hours without food, and a lot of things can happen. The first thing you need to know about is the blood sugar will go down sometime during the nighttime. The body can't have that. It's constantly working to stabilize your blood sugar. The way it does that is through cortisol, which is a stress hormone. That's what the body uses to kind of bring the blood sugar up. Of course, adrenaline, it's not really a hormone, it's a neurotransmitter. But it's going to be another thing that can kind of wake you up. If you don't have the quality of sleep that you need, that's going to put a lot of stress on your blood sugar. Blood sugar issues prevent a quality of sleep, and then poor sleep causes blood sugar issues. So it's a never-ending cycle. Of course, a lot of people are getting up in the night, peeing all the time, and you're going to lose water if you have high blood sugar because the body's trying to get rid of it. And then the person's a little more dehydrated, and that dehydrated state causes more concentration of blood sugar. Now we're right back into the same situation. There's even something that, when I go through all these drinks, it's going to actually help correct that problem. Let's talk about these 7 drinks. Number 2, chamomile tea. It has one effect of helping you sleep and feel calm, but another one on your blood sugar. It lowers cortisol. It protects the actual cells in the pancreas that make insulin. Then we get to number 3, golden milk. This is a combination of turmeric and ginger. It's made in a latte, but here we're combining one of the most amazing herb compounds, turmeric, that has the active ingredient called curcumin, with another amazing one called ginger. Together it creates a number 4, aloe vera juice. You may think about this juice to help with digestion ulcers. Some people take it topically for wound healing. It has another really potent effect on the cells of the pancreas that make insulin. Number 5, berberine tea. Berberine works very close to the effectiveness of metformin. It's a common diabetic medication, but without the side effects. It's awesome. Number 6, electrolytes, mainly potassium and magnesium. Magnesium can potently decrease cortisol. It's going to help you with stress, help you with sleep, and especially helping with blood sugar issues. And then potassium is another interesting mineral. We need a lot of potassium. We need like 4,700 milligrams. Rarely does anyone get this much. Potassium and magnesium are both physiological relaxers. The potassium will bring down your pulse rate if it's too high. Potassium is also needed to help you store glucose in your liver and even in your muscles. Potassium is just really good for stress in general as well as for sleeping. And number 7, and it's actually an electrolyte as well, salt. In fact, I would just add the salt to the electrolyte, and now you have this really awesome compound to help you sleep. Now, what is it about sodium that can help your blood sugar? Because this is something that diabetics are told to avoid. Bad advice. In fact, lowering sodium actually raises cortisol. I've also found that when I take a little salt either underneath my tongue or in a little glass of water before bed, I always feel calmer and I sleep better. It can reduce cortisol, which will then keep your blood sugar more balanced. Also, the sodium helps to be more hydrating to your body, so you can hold more fluid, and you're not dehydrated, which then we could prevent that super concentrating blood sugar situation I mentioned before. I mean, if you think about it, sodium is like an essential mineral that will help your nerves work, muscles work, hydration, but it also lowers cortisol. It supports the adrenal glands. I've given a lot of options for drinks that you can add before you go to bed. Go ahead and apply one or more of these and then comment down below and tell me how it worked. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.